Jason here with StudioMatic, the One Button Studio experts. We've just done an installation at the Mohave Community College, Bullhead City, Arizona campus. What do you think of the One Button Studio Pro that we've put in?
I love it. The install was super simple. It was easy. I didn't have to do anything.
Well, that's because we did it.
You did it, yeah. I came in like, this is going to be mountainous stuff I got to do, but it was super easy. The hardware is really good. I'm really impressed when we got it in. I think that the faculty here is really going to enjoy it. I think the students are going to really enjoy it because now we're going to standardize what a video is supposed to look like, what an instructor is expected to provide for the class.
What were some of the videos looking like previously?
So it was pretty hit or miss. Some instructors, it would be just on a webcam or on like a laptop. So the quality was just all over the spectrum. So this blows it way out of the water.
Once your faculty gets in here to start using this, the students will be able to actually know what to expect as far as video quality.
Exactly.
In the presentations and the classes. And so what is it about this system that makes the quality better?
For me, I think it's going to be the sound. I can forgive a bad picture to a degree, but bad sound, that's it for me. I can't stand it, especially for like a student who has to listen to maybe a 30-minute lecture. If they're listening to it on a bad webcam that should have been thrown out like a year ago, it's torture.
Yeah.
It's awful.
We've got a very nice Sennheiser microphone here. We've got acoustical treatment around on the walls here that really eliminate reflection of the audio in the room so that it doesn't sound like a tin can, which is a huge problem a lot of times in a room like this, right?
Yeah.
So, and obviously the lights are a really important factor in good quality, being well lit. And there's also the camera quality. So this is a Panasonic BGH1 with a Lumix lens and just really nice image quality for the whole system. So, and you can see that there's Jonathan there. Yeah, so fun to see you, super excited about this, and look forward to seeing the content that you guys put out.
Yeah, brother.